checked in at Hotel Story here right in the middle of Sarajevo, Old Town. So let's check the room out. But first of all, good morning, good night, and anything in between. Welcome to my channel. So the room itself is operated with a key. It's all manual, the key is there, and I have to lock it. You have the key there. Light switch, and you will come into the room itself. So this is the layout of the room. So it's about a 30 square meter perhaps. So it's quite big. This is considered as the apartment side of Hotel Story. Just for the price, I got it for €89 for the 2 nights, and it's not pre-booked, so I will pay later on after my stay here. Let's check the bathroom. So lights outside, and I guess there's an exhaust. What's happening there? Okay, and here is the bathroom. Let's check it out. Water heater, just there, individual water heater. Then you've got toilet roll, massive toilet roll for this with a key, and you can replace that. Also supplied you with some vanity kits, something to stand your toothbrush, and the toilet. The toilet is sealed to make sure that it is sanitized, ready for the next occupant. Then flashes, half flash and full flash. Then we go into the mirror. So you've got a big mirror here, very bright, and you've got a light there at the top as well. Also have a hand and body wash that's here. Water, cold and hot. The bin here. Just some drawers, empty drawers, and the bin right there. Then you come to the shower. The rain shower head, and you've got the small handheld one. Also, hair and body wash. Welcome Signature is the brand. I have no idea what the brand is. Then let's go to the room itself. Mirror for all that important gearing up for the morning. A localized heater just here. One of those gas heater. Smart TV. You've also got an air conditioning which you can control. Coffees, some mugs. A drawer with nothing and nothing. Bar fridge. Then you've got the cabinet. So they provided some hanger for clothes. Dryer. And some iron as well here. Got a view here, but nothing really. Just there's the view. Table, eat, and just a chair. So this is room for 4, maybe. There's 4 pairs of slippers, 4, and hand towel, and telephone, I've noticed. But anyway, so it's really interesting here in Europe that even if you've got a double bed or a queen size bed, they don't have a queen size quilt. So it's all single, and I find that very interesting. Okay, so the quilt is with the quilt cover, cotton pillow, very soft, and the bed. The bed is a memory foam. Here it is. Hotel Story here in Sarajevo. It is close to most places here. There, I could see as I was coming in, there's a pub just right there, and very central for everything that you needed to go to do here. Very close to the museum, close to the, like I said, the bridge. There's a couple of basilica around here as well. So if you are going on a trip to Sarajevo and trying to consider a cheaper alternative to a hotel, try and consider Hotel Story. The only thing is, if you are going to go into an apartment, which is where I am at the moment, there's only stairs but there's no lift. So if you go on the hotel side of the Hotel Story, then there's lift there. So I hope you find this little video helpful, and if you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. just to show me some support or subscribe to my channel. I'm looking forward to seeing you on my next video. But for now, it's me, truly wonderly yours. Hanggang sa muling pagtatagpo. Bye!